Next menu is chicken macaroni salad. Ito na po yung pangalawa kong menu. Chicken macaroni salad. Ang sarap po niya, guys. Kompleto na. May carbohydrates, protein,
May iron, zinc,
fruits, vegetable.
may iron at
Ito na
zinc
po
at psyllium,
Ay, sarap.
crickets,
Napakasarap po niya, guys.
may vitamin A, B, and C.
So,
And D.
yummy. Yan po ang pangalawa kong ginawa ngayon para Noche Buena for New Year's Eve. Wow! So, yummy. Yummy. Sarap ng kainan mamaya. Gugutumin muna tayo bago tayo makakain.